my name is Amy Sherber, and I'm the owner of Amy's Bread in New York. Amy's Bread is based in New York City, and I started my bakery in 1992. I wanted to introduce New York City to the best crusty bread, and after a while, I realized that people wanted more than bread, so now we have amazing layer cakes, morning pastries, muffins and scones. We make lots of different kinds of cookies and bars every day. We have 3 stores in New York City. My first location was Hell's Kitchen, 9th Avenue near the Theater District, then Chelsea Market, and then another store in the Village. We serve about 50 to 60,000 customers a month, so we see lots and lots of people coming in, and we have a very loyal following with our retail customers. Well, cleaning is really important to my company for many reasons. We have a lot of wholesale customers, and they demand a higher level of sanitation and food safety. So we have inspectors coming in from third parties that check our facility to make sure it's clean and up to standard. And so I want to make sure that my bakery is beautiful and clean every single day so that it can pass all those inspections. I also find that a clean bakery makes my staff happy. It improves the spirit of the staff when they walk in and they see it clean. And I feel like the work is much better when they walk into a place that looks clean and is in good condition. When I look for cleaning machines, I look for several things. One thing is really durability, so that I know that my staff will use it every day, but the machinery will last a long time. Another thing is ease of use. I want it to be easy for them to understand so that they can and will use the equipment instead of just leaving it off to the side and grabbing a mop or something traditional. And also I think that it depends on the work that the equipment does. For instance, we have floors that need to be cleaned with a floor cleaning machine, and other machines I've used in the past didn't lift the dirt like the Nilfisk machines that I've used today. So when we buy equipment, we always want to make sure that we can have local service on the equipment. If something breaks down, we need to be able to have it fixed.
Good service means that they're going to be responsive and responsible for keeping in contact on when they can come and when they can be here. I respect the challenge of doing business for everybody. We have the same issues in responding to emergencies in our own business, but the communication is really, really important. The main challenge in innovation is coming up with something that's actually not maybe reinventing the wheel, but improving how easy it is to use the wheel. Because let's be realistic, the people who are going to be the end users of your machinery are generally not going to be college graduates. They're going to be people, they want to be able to turn the switch and step on the go and have it do its job. So innovations, they can be complicated from your end, but they have to be simple from the user end.
When we order the equipment, we want to make sure that it arrives in a timely fashion and that we have people that can help train us on how to use the equipment. And we also are looking for convenience, where we actually have a contact with somebody where we can call them up if we have a question about how to use it, and they'll give us the information that we need.
What's important about delivery? Well, that it comes in good condition in a reasonable amount of time, or at least on a schedule that is predictable.
As a business owner, I know that brand is important. I hope people recognize my brand, Amy's Bread. And when I look for cleaning equipment, I'm also looking for a brand with a great reputation. But I do really care about having a name that I can trust behind the equipment that I buy. I ended up choosing Nilfisk equipment because of the great reputation, the durability, and great service, all combined together to make it a complete package.